Engine's a little bit stiff, folks. This hasn't been run for a while, but I've just cleaned the boiler up, and you can see as you can see that now, we've got a fire in there. She's full up with hot water, so I think we might have some steam in a minute. She's binding a bit there, isn't it? Seems to be binding a little bit, so I'll give it a bit more oil, I think. Put a bit of oil down through there, a bit in there. Let's give her a whiz. I think that's the right way. This is getting through. Definitely getting through. Not as free as I would like though. To make sure, I'm gonna have to get a good head of steam on it before I do any more. Okay folks, I'll see you later. Cheers and gone until the next steamy video.